Ever wondered how to create a profitable YouTube channel? Let's dive into the potential profitability of this platform. Picture this: a YouTuber, known for their hilarious skits, raking in an estimated six-figure income annually. Or a beauty vlogger, their makeup tutorials earning them an impressive seven-figure sum. And then there's the tech enthusiast whose gadget reviews have amassed a fortune that's nothing short of mind-boggling. Now, it's crucial to remember that while these success stories are indeed inspiring, they do not represent the norm. Not every channel will skyrocket to these heights. However, with the right approach, a substantial income is not just a pipe dream, it's an achievable reality. YouTube's potential for profitability is vast. All it takes is a unique idea, a dash of creativity, and a hefty dose of determination. So you see, building a profitable YouTube channel is possible. But how do you do it? Let's dig deeper. The first step to creating a profitable YouTube channel is choosing your niche. Now, what exactly is a niche? It's your personal area of expertise, something you're passionate about and can confidently discuss. This is crucial because not only will it make your journey more enjoyable, it will also attract a specific audience that shares your interests. Imagine you're an avid gamer. Your niche could be reviewing the latest video games or streaming your gameplay. This would attract fellow gamers, leading to more views and subscriptions. Or maybe you're a fitness enthusiast. Your niche could be sharing workout routines or healthy recipes. This would appeal to fitness buffs and health-conscious individuals. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. From beauty and fashion to technology and travel, there's a niche for everyone. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to start creating content. But remember, content is king. Now let's talk about content. High-quality, engaging content is the lifeblood of any successful YouTube channel. It's not enough to simply upload videos. Each piece of content you create should serve a purpose and add value for your viewers. Consistency is key in crafting your content. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. But remember, quality should never be sacrificed for quantity. Creativity is another crucial aspect. It's important to stand out from the crowd and offer something unique that your audience can't get anywhere else. Think outside the box, experiment, and don't be afraid to take risks. Good editing and storytelling can elevate your content from good to great. A well-edited video is more enjoyable to watch, and a compelling story keeps viewers hooked till the end. Remember, creating quality content isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process that requires time, effort, and dedication. So, you've got your niche and your content. What's next? Well, it's all about getting your content in front of the right eyes. Finally, let's discuss how to get your videos seen. It's not just about creating great content, you also need to make sure people can find it. This is where YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. Think of SEO as a roadmap guiding viewers to your videos. One crucial aspect of SEO is the use of keywords. They're the signposts on the map, helping viewers find your content among the billions of videos on the platform. In addition to keywords, you'll want to craft compelling descriptions and utilize tags effectively. These elements help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and who might be interested in it. Now, don't forget about promoting your content on other social media platforms. This can be a great way to reach more people and drive them to your channel. Collaborations and partnerships can also play a key role in growing your audience. By working with others, you can tap into their viewership and potentially gain new subscribers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a profitable YouTube channel. Remember, it won't happen overnight, but with patience, creativity, and consistency, you can make it happen.